Hi, and welcome back to Fishing with David Pyle. It's April 3rd, 2017, and Dirk just got the first springer in the boat for the season. After getting a smolt yesterday, we just figured we had to come out after work and give it a shot today. We knew there'd be something in the river, so look at this beautiful hen we picked up after work at Swan Island Basin, and go ahead and throw that back, Dirk. We'll get him back on ice. And that's something I would talk about later, is bleeding your fish out and then immediately getting it on ice. But for today, we'll talk about what we're using. We've got 4 rods. We got our 2-rod licenses, both of us, and I'm running Pro Trolls off the back with 8 ounces at 12 pulls, and on the side we're running standard fish flash flashers at 8 ounces at 10 pulls. And we just got lucky, just picked up this nice beautiful fish. There's only 2 boats out here. The river is beautiful, no wind, and so we think we're going to troll around for a little longer and just see what gives. Maybe we'll get lucky and pick up another fish, who knows. Anyway, we'll see you next time on Fishing with David Pyle. Watch the video, see Dirk jump on this rod, hammered this fish and got it into the boat. Woohoo!